Okay, hello everybody, welcome to another video from NMRCI. And so I've decided to diversify my channel a bit more by moving into computers, which are another passion of mine. I really do love computers and gaming and all that kind of stuff. So after looking at the Case Mod World Series by Cooler Master, I got some good inspiration on making a new computer case. And so this, as you can see, is a custom design that I've made on SketchUp, and this is the first time I ever used SketchUp, so yeah, it's not that good, but it's decent enough for what I need. I just need something so I could kind of visualize what I wanted to do with it. And as you can see, it's called Project Athena in the lettering down there. And so let me take you through the outline of this case. So first of all, you'll notice that there's no hard drive bays down here, which may seem odd to you, but the plan is to actually have, if you can see this large block right here, I'm actually going to have all my hard drives, SSDs, and my wiring all running within this block, which is completely blocked out of view, so you can't see it. I'm also going to have my start and reset button here, but I decided not to draw those. And then, so that's going to be how I'm going to hide everything beneath. Now, if I zoom in here, you can kind of see that this is the motherboard tray right here behind this piece of plexiglass. You can actually, it's kind of hovering off there. I'm planning to actually put in some standoffs so it stands off the back of the case, and so then I can actually put some lighting under that and make it look as if it's actually hovering, which I think could be a really cool effect. And so that is my plan for what I'm going to do with the motherboard tray. And at the front here, you can see these two massive 200mm fans, which I am planning to be able to run these fans on at 30% the whole time to keep it super quiet and just turn off all my other fans, and they'll be enough for all my cooling needs. And then up here we have two 140mm exhaust fans and one 140mm intake fan. In here's going to be the place for the I/O shield. As you can see, I didn't detail it or anything because I'm not really that good at CAD. And then if you can zoom in here, we can actually see that the Athena lettering is actually 3D. It's off the back. I'm planning to cut these out of 3mm plexiglass or acrylic, something like that, and then I'm just gonna cut them out and paint the top, paint the front, and then glue them to the back to give it a really cool effect. And I did the same for NMIL down here, which are my initials, for those who don't know. And this is the back of the case. Now, as you can see, there's Athena lettering down here, but up here it's completely blank. So I'm planning to probably get one of my friends who are really good at drawing, by the way. I'm planning to get them to maybe design something to go on the back here, I don't know, maybe some emblem or something that can paint on the back here with some spray paint. And as you can see, the case has a really minimalistic look to it. The main colors are just blue and white, and I'm also going to try and get a blue or whitish motherboard in, and yeah, try and get everything blue and white. And so, as you can see here, these panels are plexiglass, and so matching everything to plexiglass to give it a nice clear view to the inside, because I really do like being able to see my hardware in there, like my RAM, my motherboard, my graphics card. I really do like that in a case. And one thing that you may have not noticed for this is that it's actually kind of a bit short. I need to make this 2 centimeters, wider, because this 140mm fan is kind of blocked off in here. You can get a better view of it like this. So in the final case, I make it slightly wider, just so I can fit that 140 in there. And I know some people will be like, oh, why don't you just go to 120? Well, 140s do get you better quietness, because you can run them at lower speed to get the same amount of airflow through them. And so this case was actually designed so I could run it quieter than my current case, which has also been modded, but I wanted this to run even quieter. And so I'm also going to put some sort of air cooler on my CPU, which I can also, so I can get bigger surface area to try and cool it better. And yeah, those are all things that I really want to try and do to make this case super quiet. I'm also going to try and maybe save up and try and get maybe like a Strix graphics card, because those ones look really nice, and like I really like their aesthetic, and they run super quiet. Plus they also are from Asus, which is my favorite computer brand, and yeah, I'm kind of a fanboy. So that's all for this episode. Comment in the comments box, give me your opinion. Does it look good? Does it look bad? What can I change? You know, I'm always open to opinions, so you guys can do that in the comments box. Like, that helps me out a lot. You know, well, dislike, I don't really care. It's all, you know, critique, and I really appreciate that. And subscribe for more awesome videos from my channel, and I hope to see you guys next time. And see ya. Bye.